Hey guys, Rajiv here from Financial Hub India. Today's date is 16th of May 2018, and I'm seeing Nifty charts here. In Nifty, for last couple of days, you have been trading this layer of resistance here. All right, so if you have been following the trades or last two updates, then you know what we have been doing really, the trading the breakouts, pullbacks, and the breakouts and pullbacks, all these things. Now, for the current market, since we are trading below the level of resistance here, the level of support for now, obviously, and this support has become a resistance for now. So we have been trying to catch up some sell signals. So in case we see the price pulling back up, then definitely we'll be looking for some shorting signal, as you know this level is really serious. A little pushback, but didn't sustain over here. A breakdown, and on a pullback, we'll be looking for something to sell over there using the higher as well as the lower time frames wherever we get a good opportunity to enter this trade. And these lines I have marked is nothing but the support areas. The major support area is really here because we have multiple layers here, isn't it? You see these layers. All right. So based on the 60-minute time frames, we are moving down. 60-minute time frames. The trend structure. This trend structure is not in order for now, and this structure is broken, and we are going down. All right. Now, in terms of the daily time frames, things are good. Things are not bad in terms of daily time frame. In hourly time frame, there is a short-term momentum we can see towards downside. But if you see the daily time frames here, the overall trend is still intact, and the next layer of support we see clearly over here. You see the importance of this layer. 1, 2, 3, 4. A breakout coming back down, reacted the same layer as a support, and we have the next support layer over here. So this 10640 around level is a very good support layer. And since this here, we had a kind of flat market structure, isn't it? And we are again back into that flat market structure here. Then in terms of the daily time frames, if we say that, okay, we are expecting price to come down up to here, 10642, to complete the overall flat market structure after this major false break, that won't be wrong, isn't it? All right. So 10640 will be the priority in terms of the support. Until the time, if the price is really coming down smoothly, why not making some money in that downward trend, downward rally? All right. To capture the downward rally, we have the hourly time frame here. All right. So let's see. Now, the first idea is looking for something to sell over here, and then if it doesn't sustain here, then yeah, if we see that there is a breakout again above this layer, then we'll be looking for again buy trade. All right. So the trade's in both sides because this is a key layer for us. So we are going short from here, we are going long from here. Either way, you get a trade to go into it. All right. Now, okay. In today's session, I just want to share one lesson with you. That is about the stability of the trend. All right, stability of the trend. Now, stability of the trend means when you have an uptrend or you have a downtrend, the trend can be presented in different variations. So out of those different variations, just one type of variation I just want to discuss with you guys today, and that is really helpful in the price action trading. And obviously you can find those variations only in the price action trading and no other places. But if you understand those variations and the price action context, the context of those price behavior, then it will help you great for your trading. So let me just start right from here. I just want to trade some variations we traded for last 2 days. All right, not much older. So you see the breakout. This was the resistance. And we had the breakout here, right? This was the first step, and then the price was pushing down. All right, and the same thing happened here as well. We went up. So these two moves, these two lines I'm drawing, this is impulsive move, we say. What is an impulsive move? When the moves in line with the overall trend, in line with the overall trend. So the overall trend is up, so this is an impulsive move. You can say the primary move, or you can say the main move, and this is a again an impulsive move. And what is this? This is a secondary move. All right. Now again, this is a primary move here from here to here, and this is a secondary move. And this is very important to analyze the secondary moves, the secondary swings, or we can say corrective swings. So here, this is a corrective swing, this is a corrective swing, and this is a corrective swing. Now, why it is important to analyze the corrective swing? Let me just go with the different colors. Let me take it. Okay, this is corrective swing, this is corrective swing, this is corrective swing. This is no more a corrective swing, because corrective swing is not corrective. We can't say a corrective swing when it travels the same space of impulsive swing. So the impulsive swing length is here to here, and if you see, this swing length is here to here. So this is this move is neither an impulsive move, or this swing is not, nor this swing is an corrective move. This is a flattish momentum here, it became. All right, but yet this is very important for us to analyze this move, because we are on a support layer, resistance, we bought this support, and this support layer still remains alive. Forget this one, and this support layer still remain alive. So price comes back here, we are going to look for some buy trades, isn't it? Because that's a support level, even though it's a flattish condition now, and even though the strength of the upward momentum loses its strength basically. Why? Because it falls from where it started. Something happening with higher high, higher low has greater strength in terms of an uptrend, because more it rises and less it falls. But something falls from where it got the rise, obviously lost the strength of the buying, isn't it? All right. So this is a basic principle of analyzing the trend. Now, in terms of the stability of the trend, what we need to check out is what's happening. What's happening here? What's happening here? And what's happening here? Because this is where we're going to buy, right? And the same way, right? Just starting on the video, what I said is that we are going to look for something to sell in the current market over here, right? So in that scenario, which move we need to take care? We need to analyze, or we need to look for the stability. In which move? This move. When the price will travel from here to here, there will be a trend, isn't it? So again, if there is a trend, and this will be a corrective trend for us, if we are feeling that, okay, from here the price should turn down at the initial stage, and if it doesn't turn, it goes up, then there's another picture. We'll be looking for the reversal trade. But when the first picture is, we are expecting price to go like this, right? If this is our expectation, then this becomes an impulsive move, and this becomes what? This becomes a corrective move, isn't it? All right. So we need to analyze this one, that how this trend is approaching the key level, where we are going to react with our trades. All right. So I guess this will be a long, I mean, I have already talked so much, and this is, once I start the stability of the trend and all these things, then it will be a huge video for you guys. So I'll be covering this part, this stability of part in the next video. And in that video, I'll not do the market recap. And also here you got the basic idea, basically what I'm going to talk about in the next video, right? So hopefully I'll see you in that video, and hopefully I'll be launching that video tomorrow. All right. So everyday basis, I'll be trying, with the market update to share some kind of idea, some kind of price action magic, you can say, some kind of, no, it should not be said magic, it should be said price action gems, price action pearls, because price action is, the level of price action, the understanding of price action, the depth of price action is so high. This really should be respected. This really should be given its desired, the desired respect. All right. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And by the way, on 20th of May, we are starting our live course session. So in case you are interested, then the details are already given below in the description button. So you can just check out the description. And this is a live course I do once in a year. So you can just join in. It's a course for 6 weeks. 6 weeks, yeah. So there will be some homeworks, there will be some live trades, there will be discussions on the live sessions, and there will be some projects you'll have to complete and report me on the next day. And there will be 1 hour of training session and 30 minutes of Q&A sessions. There are weekday sessions, there will be Sunday sessions. Sunday sessions are mostly Q&A sessions. And most of my ex-members, ex-students for last 6 months, the members who have joined me for last 6 months, they will be with me. So you'll be getting a chance to see all those old members, all their performance, all their charts, all their workings, basically, all their profits and loss, and how they have been doing, after learning the price action thing. So I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, with a new lesson here.